Now what we're going to do is we're going to look at a regular y equals mx graph, or y equals mx plus b, but this time our b is 0. We're going to start with the equation y equals 2x and describe how it changes with each of these equations, and then we're going to graph the changes with each equation. Now, this is just y equals 2x. The intercept was 0, remember, because it's in y equals mx plus b. The intercept is not written, so it's 0, and then my slope here is 2, which means up 2 over 1. So, at 0, they went up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, they drew a line. Now, this one says 2x plus 5. Remember, when it's just a regular plus or minus, it's not in parentheses, it's just adjusting the y. So this plus 5 means it's going to go up 5. So from here, let's go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a dot. And then let's use our slope. Up 2 over 1. 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1. Then I'm going to use this ruler to make sure my line stays straight. So there's my first line. On the next one, I've got 2x minus 5. Well, I don't see parentheses, so I know it's just adjusting the y. Minus 5 means it's going to go down 5. So from here, if we went down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then use our slope is 2 over 1 again, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, and once I get 3 dots, I go into graph. So we got another parallel line to it, and it was just down 5 from where it started. On the next one, we've got y equals 2 parentheses x minus 5. We see it in the parentheses, remember, so it's adjusting our x. So our x is minus 5, but remember, x lies. So where's it going to move? Good, it's going to move to the right 5. So we're going to take our graph, move it to the right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then from here, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Use your ruler, make your line straight. Okay, our last example on here, y equals 2 parentheses x plus 5. Ooh, this is in a parentheses, it's just in the x. It says plus 5. But remember, x lies, so instead of going 5 to the right, we're going to go 5 to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. There we go. So now we have 5 lines. One was given, you just made 4. And each of these was essentially the same line, we just moved it. So we move it up 5, down 5, right 5, left 5, depending on what is set. All right? Let's look at the next example, example 2. Sorry. And the next example says, given the equation y equals 3x minus 1, write the equation if the graph is translated as indicated. So this time we don't have to graph it, we just need to write the equation. Well, if it's going down 2 and it started out as 3x minus 1, how could I show that it's going down 2? When we went down 5, we subtracted 5, so when we're going down 2, we're going to subtract 2. Negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3. So our equation is going to be y equals 3x minus 3. Because negative 3 is down 2 from negative 1. Now, if we took it and went up 1, well, we started at 3x minus 1. Going up 1, we're just going to add 1 over here. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So you can write y equals 3x plus 0, but a more proper way to write it would just be y equals 3x. Because if you add nothing to it, it doesn't change. I'm going to stop the video here. We'll do the last examples on the next one.